Guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, what's up? Make sure you subscribe and join this team. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna be giving you guys 10 ways to make money both online and offline, and you can do this at your home or at the comfort of your school dorm or wherever you are, because these are side hustles, so you don't need to take all your time there. It takes you maybe 1 to 2 hours to do some of these side hustles. You don't need to quit your full-time job. And another thing, you can actually do 2 or 3 of these side hustles, because obviously the more streams of income you have, the better. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
You sing it, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home.
Okay guys, so the first way you can make money is through freelancing, and many people actually ask me what freelancing entails. Freelancing is whereby you make money online through different ways. Some of the best websites that you can get jobs for freelancing are Fiverr, Upwork, we have freelancing.com, and many others that I keep mentioning on this channel. So if you go to those websites, you're going to get jobs like online writing. You might get jobs like graphic designing, marketing, so you can be a social media marketer for a company. You can also get jobs for video editing, photo editing, making cards. So any kind of freelancing job that you can think of are in those websites. So if you become a freelancer, you're going to have a wide variety of jobs that you can do. You just go to the websites. If you see a job that suits you, you apply for that job. But I'm not going to promise you it's easy to get a gig. But once you start getting those gigs, you'll be good to go. So don't give up, just keep on trying on those websites. Another way you can make money, this one is an online way to make money, is to test websites or apps. So nowadays, actually, people are creating apps and they want others to test them before they can start using them. So you test the app or website and you review it. The best place or the best website that you can use for this kind of a job is usertesting.com. I'm gonna write it here because some people actually ask me what I say. So yeah, that's a very good way to make money, because what you do is to test the website, as in you use that app or that website and then you review it, so you get paid for your review. That way you can make money online is through watching videos online, and I've done a full video, an entire video on websites or apps that you can watch videos and get paid. So I don't want to mention all those websites, and I've explained each and every of them. So you guys, I'm gonna put the link here up. So you click that link and it will direct you to that video. In case you have Wi-Fi, this is a good way to make money. But if you don't have Wi-Fi, then watching videos will be tough for you. I cannot advise you to do that kind of a side hustle if you don't have Wi-Fi. The next way you can make money is to sell your items on Jiji. So Jiji is whereby you sell second-hand items, used items that you don't need. It's actually a good way to make money. I know you have clothes that cannot fit you, but they still look good in your house, so you can just advertise that cloth on the Jiji website and sell it. And the good thing is that you will price it. Those people who stuff high heels in their house, they are not using, maybe you have let's say boots that you're not wearing, a phone that you stopped using, all those items, you can sell them on Jiji and make money. You see, maybe tables, chairs, anything that you're not using, you can just put photos on Jiji and sell them. But don't be a scammer, okay? And also, don't get scammed. People out here are actually scamming people, so make sure you're not scammed and make sure you don't scam. The next way you can make money offline, this one combines offline and online, is to list your extra space on Airbnb. So maybe your bedroom, you have a room in your house that you're not using. Of course, it's the bedroom that is really required. You can list it on Airbnb. Just make sure it's in good condition. You take nice photos, so you have to invest on, decorating that room, making sure it has fresh things, so you can post your room on Airbnb. Whenever someone uses that space, you get paid, especially if you have a free space in Ushago. Mostly there are not enough Airbnb options in those rural areas. So if you are among the first people to do that, definitely you're going to get money. Just make sure when you are listing your item on Airbnb, you are honest enough, because if you don't become honest and tell people maybe this is just a room, that there is no sitting room or something, it will get poor reviews and you will never ever get customers. So make sure you're getting good reviews. What you promise, make sure you deliver that. And I think listing your space in Airbnb is also a good way to make money, even though you won't be making money each and every time. It's not the same if you don't make money at all. So it's a good side hustle that you can actually comfortably make money with. Next way you can make money online is through blogging. If you're a blogger, you can actually start making money with your blog. And how you make money is through AdSense. So you just place ads, you sign up with AdSense and place ads on your blog. If you get a good traffic on your blog, you're going to get so much money, because every time someone clicks the link on your blog, you get paid. I'll do an entire video on blogging. And the best thing, if you really want to start a blog, start it now. Don't wait. Start now so that you start getting traffic. At least by the end of 1 year, you will have consistent traffic. In everything, guys, you have to put effort. Even in YouTube, you have to put so much effort. So the earlier you start, the better. If you have the passion to start a blog, please, I'm telling you now, start it as soon as today. I've done a video on blogging, but I don't know if that video is not helping people or something, but I'll put the link here. I'll do another video that I will talk about everything you need to know before you start a blog. Another way you can make money is to become an Instagram influencer. And to become an influencer, you don't even need to have so many followers. If you have at least 1,000 followers on Instagram, you can become an influencer. But make sure that you post regularly, because if you contact brands, they will want to first study your page before they can give you work to do. So make sure you grow fast and you have a lot of posts on your Instagram page, and at least have a specific thing you talk about. If it's photo shoots, if it's beauty, if it's fashion, how to make money, have something that you have specialized in, so that once you grow your followers, at least at up to 1,000 followers, you can start contacting brands that you wish to work with. It's so easy to become an Instagram influencer, especially if you love taking photos. So just take photos and post on Instagram. Make sure you use hashtags so that people can start following you. Within no time, you're an influencer. You start making money. You advertise brands. You can also start your own shop and make money with Instagram. So it's quite a wide range of things you can do there. And I've done also a video on that. I don't want to talk more. And in case you have any question, just ask me on the comment section down below, because I don't want this video to be extremely long. Another way you can make money is to become a private tutor. So if you are jobless and you are at home, you've studied, maybe you passed in your exams, so you can actually start advertising yourself to become a tutor. When we have holidays, you make money by, tutoring students in your area. So this one is a very good way to make money, but you have to advertise yourself so much. But it's easy to advertise yourself. You just go to churches, you announce you're teaching this and this form and all that. People are going to start looking for you. I can tell you for free, people are studying so much these days, and parents have become clever. They know that tuition is everything. So if you advertise yourself as a tutor, you're gonna make money, because tutors are not enough. I'm a teacher, I know. Another way to make money is to take surveys for money. So I always say surveys cannot be a full-time job, but it can give you extra income. You can get airtime on your phone, and also a little 100 bob is not bad in a day. So this one is just a side hustle, and you just register with online survey sites and get paid to do surveys online. It's so easy. You're just asked simple questions and you answer them and you get paid for that. You guys, I'll do a full video on this, but I'll leave a link here also for online survey sites that pay. The ones I recommend, the ones that have paid me before. There are so many out here, but some of them don't even give you surveys. So the ones I put here are the ones which have surveys. Another side hustle or way to make money online easily is to become an Uber driver. So if you have a car, this one is for those who have a car, and list your car on Uber, on Lyft, on Bolt, all those sites that actually pay you to drive people. So once you do that, make sure you have already serviced your car. You can, have fuel to start off and those things that you need. And then Uber is going to like employ you and it's going to locate customers for you. Yeah, you can actually make money with your car as a side hustle, because I know in this era everyone needs some extra money. So you can give your driving services in the evening after your full-time job or in the morning before your full-time job. You don't need to quit your full-time job for any of these business ideas. And I don't talk much because I don't want this video to be super long, because some people may not watch it to the end if it's super long. That's why I'm going straight to the point. But in case you have any questions about anything I've talked about, just ask me in the comment section down below. Definitely I'm going to answer you. Or you can even click the link in the description direct to my IG. Ask me any question. Definitely I'm going to be answering you guys, because I'm here for you and I'm loving the support I'm getting here. The subscribers are growing, everything is growing, and I'm loving this space. In case there are videos you want me to do, also comment down below and tell me. Definitely your wish is my command and I'll definitely do it. Don't forget to like this video. Oh my goodness, guys, don't forget to like this video. Some of you forget to like. Leave a like in this video if you've enjoyed it, and also comment, tell me anything. Yeah, don't feel shy. If you can't comment, DM me on Instagram, tell me anything, what you feel. Definitely we will chat there. And yeah, I'm so happy that you guys are giving me so much love. I appreciate. Let's build each other. So yeah, until next time, I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. Bye.